strong.
Hi everyone, Matt from parmeTECH here. Thanks for joining me today. Just wanted to take a minute to go over the new AirSync app, which is ViewSonic's new wireless casting solution. So AirSync replaces two legacy products, vCast and Display. Now, these two apps had two different purposes, and now under the AirSync umbrella, you could do everything within one product. There's going to be two ways that you can share your screen, either by downloading the AirSync app or just by visiting airsync.net. The advantage to using the app is you'll be fully featured, so you can use wireless touchback and you can receive a screen to your device as opposed to just casting to it. However, in some cases that might not be important and you might just want to hit the website, in which case you can cast without needing to download anything and it's network independent. So you can be on a guest network or you can actually be located remotely, not on the network at all, and still be able to share your screen. So here you can see the AirSync website, and you could just type in the display code and the one-time password in order to share your screen. You'll see up in the top right, there is a link to download the app directly from the AirSync website. Once I open up the AirSync app, it's very simple. I'm just putting in the display code, which will stay the same for the display. And then we have the cycling one-time passcode, which I will enter now. And that changes every 30 seconds just to make sure that nobody can join the session without being present in the class if I don't want them to. I also have a moderator control to approve the request so nobody can share their screen without permission. And go and choose my entire screen, or I could share just a particular window. And now I'm live, so you'll be able to see that everything on my laptop screen is now displaying behind me, and I have the ability to turn touchback on or off depending whether or not I want to allow my device to be controlled from the display. Whenever I'm done, I can hit stop, and I'm now off the screen. Moving forward on all new ViewSonic models, AirSync will be shipping right out of the box. For existing devices that are compatible with AirSync, that will be available as an over-the-air update to display. To see if your existing ViewSonic display is compatible with AirSync, you can check out our blog linked below for a comprehensive list of compatible models. If your existing ViewSonic display is not compatible with AirSync, no need to worry. vCast and Display will continue to function and be supported. It's just not going to be used on new models. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. For any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us at parmeTECH.com. See you next time.